Welcome to this lesson on cashback and coupon arbitrage. In the world of online reselling, many entrepreneurs look for creative ways to reduce costs and increase profits. One strategy that has gained popularity is arbitrage using cashback offers and coupons. These methods allow sellers to purchase products at significantly reduced prices and sometimes even for free. When used correctly, these strategies can create profitable opportunities in online marketplaces. In this lesson, we will differentiate between cashback arbitrage and coupon arbitrage models. We will also explore websites that help sellers access free or heavily discounted items for reselling. Finally, we will discuss strategies for maximizing cashback returns and improving overall profitability. Let us begin by understanding cashback arbitrage. Cashback arbitrage involves purchasing products through websites or platforms that offer a percentage of the purchase price back to the buyer. After completing a purchase, the platform returns part of the money as cashback. This cashback effectively reduces the cost of the product. Sellers can then resell the product at the regular market price and earn a profit. For example, if a seller purchases a product for $50 and receives $10 in cashback, the effective cost becomes $40. If the product is later sold for $60, the seller earns a larger profit margin. Now let us look at coupon arbitrage. Coupon arbitrage focuses on using promotional codes, discounts, and special offers to reduce the purchase price of products. Retailers frequently release coupons to attract customers and increase sales. By combining multiple coupons or promotional offers, sellers can significantly reduce product costs. In some cases, coupons and discounts may reduce the price of an item to almost zero. These extremely low-cost products can then be resold in online marketplaces for profit. Now let us explore some resources that help sellers find these opportunities. Many websites track discounts, promotional offers, and coupon deals across different retailers. These platforms allow users to discover products that are temporarily available at very low prices. Deal communities and cashback platforms also help sellers identify profitable opportunities. Some websites provide alerts when products become available for free or heavily discounted through promotions. These resources are valuable tools for sellers who regularly search for arbitrage opportunities. However, successful arbitrage requires careful analysis before making purchases. Not every discounted product will generate profit after considering fees and shipping costs. Sellers must also evaluate whether a product has enough demand in the resale market. This is why research and comparison are essential steps in the arbitrage process. Now let us discuss strategies for maximizing cashback returns. One effective strategy is combining cashback platforms with promotional coupons. This allows sellers to reduce the purchase price through multiple layers of discounts. Another strategy involves using credit card reward programs that offer additional cashback on purchases. Stacking these benefits can significantly increase profit margins. Timing is also important in cashback arbitrage. Retailers often offer higher cashback rates during special sales events or promotional periods. Monitoring these events allows sellers to take advantage of larger savings opportunities. Successful arbitrage sellers also keep track of different cashback websites to compare reward rates. Choosing the platform with the highest cashback offer can make a significant difference in profitability. In summary, cashback and coupon arbitrage are strategies that help entrepreneurs purchase products at reduced costs. In the next video we will discuss about marketplace reselling techniques. Stay connected with us. Thank you.